Botticelli Casuals. The real casuals.
Botticelli and Raphael, shirts and trousers.
தமிழக சட்டப்பேரவை தேர்தலில் போட்டியிடும் பாஜக வேட்பாளர்கள் பட்டியல் தற்போது வெளியிடப்படுகிறது. அதிமுக கூட்டணியை பொறுத்தவரையில் பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சிக்கு 20 தொகுதிகள் ஒதுக்கீடு செய்யப்பட்டிருக்கின்றன. அந்த 20 தொகுதிகளிலும் போட்டியிடக்கூடிய பாஜகவின் வேட்பாளர்கள் பட்டியல் தற்போது வெளியிடப்பட்டு வருகிறது. ஏற்கனவே நேற்று முன்தினமே வெளியாகும் என்று சொல்லப்பட்ட நிலையில் இன்றைய தினம் தற்போது பாஜகவின் தேசிய பொதுச் செயலாளர் அருண் சிங் டெல்லியில் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வேட்பாளர்களின் பட்டியலை அறிவிக்கிறார். பார்க்கலாம்.
You all know Srimati Khushbu Sundar will contest from Thousands Light. Thousand Lights. Chennai. In Chennai. And we are confident that we are going to form, the NDA is going to form the government with a full majority in Tamil Nadu. And on my right, on my left side, M.S. Home, who is also election in charge for the Tamil Nadu, he will say few words.
Friends, Anna DMK is contesting 178 seats. PMK is contesting 23 seats. BJP 20. Former Union Minister G.K. Vasan, son of Congress Party Senior Leader Mupanar. TMC, they are contesting 6 seats. The symbol of 2 leaves, Anna DMK. Remaining 7 seats, Anna DMK and NDA, we are giving to smaller parties. That also they contest on 2 leaves symbol. There is a lot of change compared to the 2019 parliament elections in Tamil Nadu. There is a wave in favor of DMK at that time. After 2 years, today there is a Tamil Nadu situation total different in these elections. Narendra Modi ji, under leadership of in Tamil Nadu, last 2 years in COVID also, we did a lot of developmental activity. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, Honorable Panneer Selvam ji also, he established is a name as a good chief minister, as a good administrator, and he given a stable government, good governments, particularly law and order in agriculture sector, in the industrial sector. There is a lot of development last 5 years, and particularly national highways, government achieved and delivered good governments, and also COVID pandemic situation, Tamil Nadu government good, and they got the all angles. They did a good government. They controlled COVID pandemic. In this situation, people are afraid DMK. People will not forget this is a family rule, dynasty politics, DMK, rowdyism, gundaism. In these elections, they are entering 3rd generation family politics in Tamil Nadu. 3rd generation. Everybody knows DMK dictatorship politics, and one family party, only family CM, only family rule. Tamil Nadu people are not ready to accept this situation. That's why Bharatiya Janata Party and NDA definitely we are going to form once again in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Now, एक minute. Question will take later. Now the Kerala. In Kerala, the Bharatiya Janata Party, we have a alliance with 4 parties. Number 1, BDJS. The second party is AIDMK. The third is JRS led by Janna and Kamraj Congress, that is 4th party. Kamraj Congress with the BJP symbol. We have alliance with all 4 parties and we are going. BJP will be contesting in 115 seats alone. BJP will be contesting in 115 seats and rest of the seat out of 140 left out to be 25 seats around, that will be left to the 4 parties. Many senior leaders are contesting from BJP symbol in the Kerala. A large number of senior leaders, they are joining from LDF and UDF to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Because there is huge corruption in the government, you all know the kind of corruption has reached at the level in the office of the Chief Minister, you all aware of. Lot of celebrities and professionals in Kerala, they have also joined the Bharatiya Janata Party. And they are continuously joining the Bharatiya Janata Party. Our state president, Sri K. Surendran will be contesting from 2 assembly constituencies.
Botticelli Casuals. The real casuals.
Botticelli and Raphael, shirts and trousers.